Alright, we have an update. We got a lot of the Moxie done. Just got to get the smaller details done, like the buttons, the trim, and the rings for the bands, and then the rivets, and then the body will be done. And then just the legs, and then the Moxie head. So it's mostly the hair done, and then, okay, there's that arm, and then that arm. I am so sick right now, so we should have it either done today or really close to done, depending on how far I can get, depending on how good I'm feeling. So, yeah, so I'm going to keep this an extra week in quarantine just because I am sick and I'm not feeling good, and I don't want the customer to catch whatever it is I have or however long I need to keep it in quarantine for. So we got a print going, we have a wash going. I don't even remember what I have in there. I think it's parts to the, I mean, I know it's to the figure I have right now, but I think it's the arms and rifle and something. I don't know. It's just a bunch of smaller bits. Same thing with that one, just some more smaller bits. So, as soon as we get her done, man, I'm so sick, I don't even know where the box went. Oh, it's right behind me. So, the Moxie's box is that one, and then Power's box is that one, and then Henny and Stocking is that one. So, I don't think we'll get to that one today, and I don't even know if we'll get to this one this week. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna paint for as long as I can, because it feels like there's sandpaper and fire in my throat, and my whole body feels like there's no energy in it. So get as far as I can and then call it done for today. Yesterday was a wash as well because I had a migraine, so just overall winds around. So I do apologize to the customer from Freya if they see this video. I don't want to get you sick, so this is just going to stay in quarantine for, like I said, a week after it's done, or after I'm done being sick, so I don't get you sick. But I will wear a mask anyways, but just because I'm in contact with it, I don't want to risk it. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, I'll see everyone later.